summer breeze, taking my time to align all the thoughts in my head. If you need me, I'll be waiting for you. If you want me, nothing I wouldn't do. I hope you're feeling it too. Will you take my hand so we can run away? Save our problems for another day, yeah. I know in the end it'll be okay. It's you and me, girl, there's no other way, yeah. Yeah, I need you to promise that you'll stay. We'll never run out of things to talk about. I don't know how I ever lived without you holding me in the night. Feel alive knowing that if you need me, I'll be waiting for you. If you want me, nothing I wouldn't do. I hope you're feeling it too. Will you take my hand so we can run away? Save our problems for another day, yeah. I know in the end it'll be okay. It's you and me, girl, there's no other way, yeah. Take my hand so we can run away. Save our problems for another day, yeah. I know in the end it'll be okay. It's you and me, girl, there's no other way, yeah. Yeah, I need you to promise that you'll stay. I know I cannot see it through. I got my head on straight so you can pass the on. And I'll ever be is riding next to me, exploding on my skin, sun blaring down on me. And I hope that you watch this, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better about these cards you dealt. And you got everything you want, but you still chase it all and all. Seen that stop for nothing, man. I think it's time to change this plan. Where I go, I spent too long planting seeds now to show that I'm yet to grow into something special I can call. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me, exploding on my screen, sun bearing down on me. And I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock, memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows, throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you XO, and all my friends, they're begging me, making bids on Mom's fresh cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar. It broke Dad's heart, but he still loved me, and he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedos.